For our final step, we will invite some users or a user and get them to collaborate on the repository, clone it and start working. So we'll do that all in one. We've actually covered all of what we need to do already. Really the only thing we need to cover is to invite somebody. So in our repository page, go into repository settings and user and group access and invite a user with their email. So we're going to invite Pedro January at Yahoo. Any similarities to my name is purely coincidental at this point. I'm going to set him as an admin. I mean, you probably all want to be admins, to be honest. You don't have to. I mean, at the minimum, you want to set right. But I'm going to create him as an admin so that he can do all the stuff as well. So I'm going to add him. Okay, so now I'm going to go into that account. See if I've got a mail. Now, if you don't get it, it may have gone into spam, or you may have initially not properly created your Bitbucket account and logged on to Bitbucket. Remember, this guy has already created his account and he's already logged on to Bitbucket. So immediately I've got a invitation from Philip J. Fry to collaborate on the Tower repository. I'm going to accept it and I'm going to log in because I already have an account and I've already logged in before, which is what your team guys need to do. So I'm going to log in. And say I've been invited, and this time I'm logging in as, see it down on the left hand side at the bottom, this is who you are. So I'm logged in as PH now, Pedro January, and I've got access to the repository, so I can now clone it. In the next and final part of this video series, we will be demonstrating how two members of the same team can start working on their game in GameMaker using bitbucket as their source control method.